Hello children, we have completed 5 units in PUC first year biology with most of the reduced topics. We both are eagerly waiting to enter in college campus, waiting for physical classes so that learning and teaching will go together. We will be having satisfaction that we have shared the knowledge, and you will have satisfaction that we have gained knowledge. But because of some situations, we both are traveling in the same mode, but life never becomes stagnant as the time never stops. Hence, we have to move along with both positive and negative conditions. Myself, Bhati Sawant, welcome you again to this online sessions of PUC second year syllabus. In PUC 2, total 5 units are included. Biology is a journey. We have initiated with Unit 1 in first year under the heading Diversity of Living Organisms, which included 4 topics. Unit 2 with most of the reduced syllabus under the heading Structural Organization in Organisms. Then Unit 3 where we have learnt most of the aspects related to cell, about the biomolecules and the reproduction in the cell like mitosis and meiosis. As this knowledge is necessary to learn the metabolic reactions within each and every cell of plants and animals. So Unit 4, in which we have completed plant physiology, and Unit 5 we have completed human physiology. Let us continue our journey under the heading Unit 6, the most interesting topic for teenagers, for adolescents. My few years experience, so-called 27 years experience. I never found a child sleeping in the class when this topic is going on. Hope same curiosity you will retain even on online mode. Let us start with unit number 6 under the heading Reproduction. This unit included 4 topics. First part, where what exactly reproduction is, lifespan, the types of reproduction, its significance with differences, then modes of asexual reproduction and the phases in sexual reproduction with some examples. Second chapter in unit 6 is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. As you know that all flowering plants belongs to division Angiospermae. So here whatever you have studied last year under the heading structure of flower, the flower is meant for sexual reproduction. So considering that knowledge about morphology of flower, we are entering in the reproductive aspects of flowering plants till the formation of seed and the fruit. Third chapter is human reproduction. This is the most interesting topic where you will come to know how you have originated, developed, differentiated and still growing. The applied part of this unit is reproductive health. Considering only human population, we are learning birth control measures, remedies for infertility and about sexually transmitted diseases. Almost 27 marks weightage is given, but as per last year's weightage, 32 marks are given for this. That I will be telling when every topic will initiate. You need not worry about the weightage given to every unit. Moving on to unit 7, it is genetics and evolution. It is more interesting than the reproduction if you follow. I am giving stress on this if you follow, in the sense you should hear each and every word taught by the teacher under the heading genetics and evolution. In genetics, we'll begin with Mendelian inheritance, the little introduction you had in your school days, followed by deviation from Mendelism under the heading incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, followed by mutation theory, types of mutations, pedigree analysis, and genetic disorders. To know what exactly heritable unit, so-called gene, is, we must understand molecular basis of inheritance. This is the world of nucleic acids. We are more focusing on DNA and RNA along with the structure, its function and its interaction with each other to regulate the overall activity in the cell. Then the next part of the same unit is evolution. This topic we have to cover under 4 headings, but if this unit is for the last batch, this particular part was deleted. If the same deletion is continued, then we will just introduce you with this evolution part without going in detail. But it is always better to understand what exactly evolution is under the heading origin of life, biological evolution, evidences to learn biological evolution and to believe in that, and further human evolution to know our ancestry. Moving on to the third, that is unit number 8. Under the heading biology in human welfare, it includes human health and diseases, which covers common communicable diseases with mode of transmission, symptoms and preventive measures, followed by the most interesting immune system of our body, how to resist from pathogens, followed by cancer and the study of AIDS and introduction to drug abuse. The next topic in the same unit is strategies for enhancement in food production. This was deleted last year. Let's see if it remains, then we'll study, otherwise it is dropped. The next topic is very interesting. As last time I already told you, the most selfish organism on this earth is human being. And it proves here we are not even leaving the microorganisms, we are exploiting them like anything for our welfare, and that we are learning under the topic microbes in human welfare. And the most interesting unit, it is unit number 9. It is the human interference in the molecular basis of inheritance. Desires will not have end. Human desires goes on increasing. With this, the humans started inventing and doing changes in the genotypes of both plants and animals. And that we are learning under the unit 9 heading biotechnology, principles and processes, followed by applications in biotechnology. Remember children, if you are perfect in molecular basis of inheritance and laws of genetics, you can easily understand unit 9 biotechnology, principle, processes and applications. We will not survive without Pancha Mahabhutas. The source of energy we call Surya Devata, that is sunlight. Dhara, which always gives support to most of the activities performed by the organism, we call soil. The vital factor is Varun or Jala Devata, that is water, and Vayu, it is the air mixture of gases, and the temperature, Agni Devata. We always worship these Pancha Mahabhutas and we surrender in front of them, because without them our existence is nowhere. And in this pandemic, We have to always surrender in front of them, because when they all are there without any contamination, we can easily lead our life and reproduce to give the next progeny. Hence, I am introducing the last unit, number 10, under the heading Ecology. Last year, 2 topics were deleted, 2 topics were retained. If the same situation is there, then we are learning 2 topics and 2 will be deleted. Let us see, but it's my duty to tell all 4 parts of ecology. First, organisms and populations, followed by ecosystem, then biodiversity and conservation, and the burning issues around us, where we are the root cause for air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, followed by ozone depletion, greenhouse effect, global warming, deforestation, soil erosion, and so on. And nature is taking revenge for all these nonsense activities done by human being. That is a live example now. Okay, that we'll talk later, but this is the last unit in second year syllabus. Let us revise once again. Unit 6 is reproduction in organisms. Unit 7 is genetics and evolution. Unit 8 is biology in human welfare. Unit 9 is biotechnology, principles, processes and applications, and Unit 10 is ecology. With this brief introduction, I welcome you on behalf of GSS PU College, Department of Biology, for this online mode of entering in the field of biology. No need to take any tension. Last year's whatever syllabus was there, it was hectic. Comparatively, second year syllabus is short and very interesting. With this, I'll conclude my today's session, and we are beginning with the next session under the heading Reproduction in Organisms. All the best. Thank you very much.